Adverb of negation. Definition and meaning. What does an adverb of negation mean? The word negation in the phrase adverb of negation means to negate, refute, or deny something. An adverb of negation is a word that is used to deny a fact or refute a statement. So, adverbs of negation are words that express the fact that something is not true, real, or existent. Adverbs of negation include no, never, hardly, seldom, no longer, and others. Here are a few example sentences of adverbs of negation. Examples of adverbs of negation. A. He does not go to gym. He does not go to gym. B. I have no idea about it. I have no idea about it. C. They never came to India. They never came to India. John hardly speaks the truth. John hardly speaks the truth. They seldom visit the village. They seldom visit the village. Explanation. The sentence, the sentences mentioned above contain adverbs of negation which are in bold. We have here not, no, never, hardly, seldom. These adverbs of negation negate the statements. These adverbs of negation negate the statements. Adverb of affirmation and negation exercise.